Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the asset maintenance feature in the Assets Maintenance module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to track and manage maintenance activities for your assets using Parsimony. To begin, let's navigate to the Assets Maintenance module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the asset maintenance-related functions. In the Asset Maintenance list, you'll find a summary of existing maintenance records for your assets. To create a new maintenance record, click on the New button. In the maintenance form, you'll find different fields and sections to specify the details of the maintenance activity. Start by selecting the asset for which you're creating the maintenance record. You can search for and select the asset from your asset list. Select the maintenance team from the list available. Enter the maintenance task for the asset like cleaning, changing parts or anything alike. Specify the type of maintenance activity being performed, such as routine maintenance, repair, or inspection. Enter the date on which the maintenance activity took place. Set the maintenance status to indicate whether the activity is planned, overdue, or cancelled. Provide a description of the maintenance activity, including any relevant details or observations. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the maintenance record. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the maintenance record has been created successfully. To make any changes to the maintenance record, click on the Edit button. You can modify any details of the maintenance record, such as the asset, maintenance type, date, description, or status. Once you've made the necessary changes, click on the Save button to update the maintenance record. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the maintenance record has been updated successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the asset maintenance feature in the Assets Maintenance module. Keep track of maintenance activities and ensure the proper upkeep of your assets with Parsimony. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Streamline your asset maintenance process with Parsimony.